Hi guys, welcome to week 3. This week we're going to be covering chapter 2 in your textbook, which is all about comparative advantage, and we'll also be getting deeper into the ideas of opportunity cost. There's 3 assignments due this week. The first one is the Learn Smart assignment for chapter 2. That's going to be due on Thursday. And then you're going to have 2 discussions, both due on Sunday. The first discussion is about figuring out your opportunity cost of going to college. And please make sure to do the part of the discussion which asks you to figure out the actual dollar value of your opportunity cost. The second discussion is figuring out a region that has a comparative advantage in a particular good or service. And I also want you to pay particular attention to the portion of the discussion which asks you to identify why that region has the lowest opportunity cost. So now that we're sort of into week 3 and sort of the second chapter, I really want to remind you guys about the rubrics for the discussions. In order to get full credit, you do need to reply to at least 2 classmates, and you need to kind of answer all of the questions that are asked in the bullet points of the discussion. And that's just sort of required to get full credit. So I'm reminding you, just not that you're not doing it, but just to remind you that in order to get full credit, you need to do that. I want to say thank you for all of the work you've done so far. The discussion posts so far have been fantastic, and most of you are doing a great job at making sure hitting the deadlines and getting all the work done on time. So keep up the good work. Last thing I want to mention is about all the videos that I be posting. The first set of videos this week are mainly all from the same channel. It's called AC/DC Leadership on YouTube. And the first batch of videos are really sort of practice for when you're going to get the homework in a couple weeks and for the midterm in week 7. I believe it's week 7 or 8. They're going to be different. So the discussion posts are for me to sort of make sure you can relate the book material to real world situations. But I also need to make sure that you're understanding the book material mathematically and can sort of ask questions sort of like the ones that are at the end of the chapter and in the Learn Smarts. So if you have any trouble sort of figuring out opportunity cost or comparative advantage or other videos I post along the way, these videos are there to help you out and sort of figure out what you need to work on. And also just to watch them and make sure you understand. So if you go through it, you understand everything, good, you get that topic, you probably don't need to worry too much about it. But if you struggle with a particular thing, then you can watch the video a few times until you totally understand the concept. Because you don't have me face to face, you're not getting the benefit of my lectures, you really need to sort of seek out other methods other than the book to really reinforce concepts that you're struggling with. So that's it for week 3. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll check in with you again next week. All right, bye guys.